go pick up some garbage.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's JChains. We are here near the woods by my house to do a cleanify effort. I got my family with me. We're gonna pick up some trash. So we're doing our part. You need to do yours. Let's have some fun.
Can you put on the gloves? Hook up. Here, pick up some garbage. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy, there's a beer.
Okay.
That was us. Oh my God, that was buried. I have mushroom. I'm a mushroom. Take. Why is there so many garbage? Daddy, that's
Smells over here.
No, it's the bag.
Oh, really?
go. We better.
Hey, give me a thumbs up. That's one bag.
That's one bag, not two bags. You're not filled up yet.
Let's go get another.
Daddy.
All right, here we go. Second bag. All you energy drinkers, put your shit in the garbage. Come on, y'all. Ew. Stinky stink.
Did you clean up some trash today?
Yeah,
How do you feel about that?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Because you helped the environment?
Yeah. Get out there and cleanify.
All right, here we go. We got 1, 2, 3 bags of trash from the woods. Guys, make sure that you smash the like button. Do some efforts like this. Join Cleanify. Go find a local woods near you. Find a local beach. Find somewhere that's got trash. We all know plenty of areas that do that. Pick some up. Take some photos while you're in the process and earn some rewards with the Cleanify part of the V Better DAO ecosystem. Let's go. Let's make some money. Earn some rewards for doing stuff that we should be doing anyway.